We guide you through how to upload Reels on Facebook. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Facebook app on your phone and tap plus create button or the Reels section at the top of your feed. Then tap create Reel to start. Next, either record a new video by holding the capture button or upload an existing clip from your gallery. After that, trim your video if needed and enhance it by adding music, text, filters, or effect using the adding tools provided. Once you're satisfied, tap next where you can write a short caption, add hashtags for better reach, tag friends if relevant, and choose your audience settings to control who can see your reels. Then select a cover image or let Facebook automatically pick one from your video. And finally, tap share reels to upload it instantly.